Hello everyone, I am Dr. Salman Tetik from Scholar School System. I'm the lecturer in business program. Today we are going to analyze a case study for team building and team development. If you remember our previous lecture, we have discussed the team development process and the importance of the team management within the organizations. Today, I'll start by summarizing the importance of the team management and the teamwork in workplaces, and then we are going to analyze a short case study. So what was it, a team? Team includes the members by the lead of a project manager or a team manager to accomplish a specific purpose. So, as you know, most of the teams have a period of time to accomplish those objectives. As soon as they accomplish their assigned purpose or objective, the team could be disbanded, but it doesn't have to be every time, or a new mission or purpose is given to the team. Why is it important to organizations? In contemporary business world, the teamwork is gaining very significant in the importance. And as it promotes to bring the different experiences from different people in a team, and it is believed that the innovation and creativity will be promoted through the teamwork. In research studies, there are several findings to support creativity and innovation by the teamwork. That's why it's gaining really importance. For instance, software development teams. And in a project, in order to accomplish a project, different software developers are coming together with the software testers and the manager of the project and the owner of the product as well. So after making division of work, everybody is focusing on their task, but in some cases they are helping each other. In teamwork, it is really important to collaborate and to help each other. In today's case study, we are going to see the importance of helping each other, team collaboration and team cooperation. First, let me try to summarize the case, and then we are going to answer some of the questions based on this case. It's a mini case study. From the minute the project was announced and the team members assigned, several of the members were overheard telling their colleagues that they didn't understand why they needed to be involved in this initiative. They wanted to continue to work alone as they have been doing for many years. Now, at first point, a group of people have been introduced a new team work. As they are not used to work as a team, now it is strange to them, and they are questioning it. Why will we work in a team? We were happy with working alone. Now this is a new thing to them. And they wanted to continue to work alone as they have been doing for many years. One member was quoted with the statement, "We have never worked on these type of initiatives in a group before. Why start now? What is someone trying to prove?" Here, as you can see, they have been just allocated in a team, but they do not know about the purpose of this project or purpose of this initiative, they have not been given any information, any detailed procedure and the purpose of this initiative. That's why they have some worries about this initiative. Some of prospective team members were concerned they will no longer have any autonomy. This is another challenge. If you are working alone, you feel yourself and independent, so you have autonomy. And they think that if they start to work in a team, they will lose their power, they will lose their autonomy and freedom. In fact, another member said to a colleague, "Here we go. Someone is going to tell me exactly what to do and when to do it." So they are happy because they think that they are going to be directed in their each action and in their each task. That's another concern. Others were concerned that they would be spending so much time in meetings that things would never get done and they would have to work overtime. So it's another challenge. Some of the others think that as the others will not complete their assigned task, they need to have more work. It's coming from the others' task. Yet others were concerned that they wouldn't receive recognition for their efforts and will get lost in the team. So it's another challenge. Even though they perform good, they perform well, and their performance will not be recognized as it's going to be a teamwork output. So, and this is the concern about the recognition. After the team was formed, it met for a few months without addressing any of these issues. After team was formed, it met for a few months without addressing any of these issues. Gossip is picking up. The team performance is not effective. So finally, as a result of all these concerns, as they have not been clarified, now the result is ineffective team performance. Now, yes, I think you could define some of the gaps in this teamwork, and there are something to be corrected in this teamwork. Let's focus on the questions. What may be some of the primary reasons for the team feeling as they are? Okay, let's focus on the first question. What may be some of the primary reasons for the team feeling as they are? The first thing, indeed, is about clarifying the purpose. If you are inviting or if you are allocating the people in a teamwork, first we need to identify the purpose of this team. What is the mission of this team? And what will be the role of each member should be specified. And if there are some concerns about losing their autonomy and control, it should be sorted out. For instance, in a teamwork, the people do not have to lose their autonomy. They can operate or they can perform their task as they wish in a specified area. Sure, they cannot influence the others with their manner because every single person is going to have their own approach to the task. But if you allocate the task based on the capability and the skills of the team members, they are not going to be concerned. So the purpose and objective of the team should have been defined, and the role allocations should be clearly have been identified, and responsibility, authority of each team member should be identified as well. what I mean by authority. What are the rights of the person to perform in order to perform the task? And what are the responsibilities, what are the obligations to be performed by each single individual in this team? So, as they have not been clarified, now the team members are struggling to understand the purpose of this teamwork. And it's another reason all these members are not used to get a task in a teamwork. This is the first time they are involved in a teamwork. So maybe an induction or orientation could have been done to explain what the teamwork is and what are the differences between teamwork and individual performance or individual work. And the benefits of the teamwork could have been introduced to team members at the beginning. As they have not been done so far, now there are so many concerns in the minds of these team members. What should be done at this point? This is the second question. First, and now it might be a little bit late because the team performance is not satisfactory. What should have been done? The meetings should be organized. And first, in a general meeting, the concerns and the worries of the team members should be sorted out. And then the team leader should take the initiative to communicate with each member of these team members. Okay? Each member. And it's going to be a guiding, it's going to be a motivational sessions maybe. And all the concerns should be clarified. What do you think, for instance, autonomy? In terms of autonomy, what's their concern? And if you identify the authority of the person and he doesn't or she doesn't lose anything in terms of right or something, blah blah, whatever is that in this group study, okay? And here, the role of the leader is going to be determinant to sort out this problem. And next, the team development process should be exercised. What are the missing points in team development process? The first, for instance, the objectives. The second, the role allocation. The third is about the harmony among the team members. What I mean by harmony? And maybe we should provide some trainings for learning how to cooperate each other, okay, and how to help each other in a teamwork. As the people do not know how to work in a team, they are absolutely right to complain about that. So, a training for the teamwork could be done. And the third question, what should have been done from day one when the issues surface? Actually, if it has been done at first point, it could have been better, sure. What's that? Step by step, team development process could have been implemented. What is that? You know, in team development process, we have identified 5 stages. At first stage is the forming stage. It involves a period of orientation and getting a content. Uncertainty is high at this stage, and people are looking for leadership and authority. And yeah, as it was in this case, people are looking for leadership and authority. So the leader here should display leadership skills. And authority of each member should be sorted out. A member who asserts authority or is knowledgeable may be looked to take control. Team members are asking such questions. What does the team offer me? What's expected of me? Will I fit in? Most interactions are social as members get to know each other. And at this stage, everybody's trying to and know each other. In next stage is the storming stage. The storming stage is the most difficult and critical stage to pass through. It's a period marked by conflict and competition as individual personalities emerge. Team performance may actually decrease in this stage because energy is put into unproductive activities. Members may disagree on team goals, and subgroups and cliques may form around strong personalities or areas of agreement. To get through this stage, members must work to overcome obstacles, to accept individual differences, and to work through conflicting ideas on team tasks and goals. Teams can get bogged down in this stage. Failure to address conflicts may result in long-term problems. Yeah, this is the conflict stage. And as the personality differences, there might be some conflict, but the team leader is supposed to help team members to resolve these conflicts. These conflicts may be due to authority challenge, responsibility challenge, or leadership challenge. Okay. In normal stage, these problems are resolved and all the team members are encouraged to focus on their task. And the roles are clear at this stage, the conflicts are resolved, and team performance increases during this stage as members learn to cooperate. Here at this point, in this case, this team definitely needs an orientation and training to learn how to cooperate. And at this stage of the team development, in norming stage, the team members are supposed to learn how to cooperate, and they focus on team goals. But at this stage, harmony is precarious, and if these agreements re-emerge, the team can slide back into storming. In performing stage, this is the next stage, consensus and cooperation have been well established and the team is mature, organized, and well functioning. There is a clear and stable structure and members are committed to the team's mission. Problems and conflicts still emerge, but they are dealt with constructively because the team learn how to cope with conflict in this teamwork. And in adjourning, depending on the project, if the project purpose has been accomplished, the team will be disbanded. Okay. So this process could be adopted on this case as well, and it will facilitate to resolve the conflicts arises in this teamwork. Okay. Thanks for today's session. Have a good day.